Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ECYT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move the past basically day and a half or so, but the bulls are definitely making and coming to life. So let's map out some levels of support and then map out some areas of resistance for next week. First, talking about supports and what I would consider the ideal level of support would be right up here at $2.75. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $2.75, that would be a huge sign of power. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above $2.75, that would certainly be best case scenario going forward. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, and really just simplifying things, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to continue to move its way upwards and look something like that. If you want to picture that as a trend line, that's more than logical. In fact, I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people, because if you don't like to draw trend lines, well, the moving average is going to quote unquote draw the trend line for you. So when you stop and think about it, okay, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above that line that's increasing? Well, the price itself needs to keep on increasing over time, and that by definition is what a bullish move is, right? So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they really kind of insult your intelligence. So point being here, a very black and white way to look at the health of the move going forward. As long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about potential areas of resistance? For this, I'm actually going to change time frames, which is a good problem to have, because we're going to have to go back a ways into the chart's history, because the price has not been up as high for a while. So let's see. So yeah, current level where the price is struggling right there at $2.90, and that actually makes really good sense why I say that. You look back here, you can see the price was directly rejected from it there, and that's where the price is currently struggling. Price essentially closed right at it. In the event next week, the price can start to pull away from $2.90. Next key overall area of resistance right up there at about $3.08. All in all, though, as long as the price keeps on building these higher bases like it's been over the past 3 days, long-term chart will continue to take care of itself. So we'll see how this all unfolds next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.